How Jamaican are you? Comment below how many you got right. What year did Jamaica gain independence from Britain? B. 1962. Who was Jamaica's first prime minister? C. Sir Alexander Bustamante. What famous Jamaican hero is known for leading the Morant Bay Rebellion? A. Paul Bogle. What indigenous people originally inhabited Jamaica before European colonization? A. The Taino, or Arawaks. What city was the capital of Jamaica before Kingston? C. Spanish Town. What European country colonized Jamaica before the British? B. Spain. What is celebrated in Jamaica on August 6th? A. Independence Day. Who is the only national heroine of Jamaica? B. Nanny of the Maroons. Which Jamaican national hero founded the People's National Party, PNP? A. Norman Manley. What is the capital city of Jamaica? Kingston. Comment how many you got right.